The topic of today's video is how to customize Turbo Trader on Webull desktop. So this one is rather simple. All we need to do is go to the left here and click on the Customize panel. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to the top right here and click on the plus and just create a brand new blank layout. You don't have to do that. You can just click on Add Widgets on the top here. And then we're going to go to Trade so we can find Turbo Trader. And here we have Turbo Trader or Turbo Trader Futures and so forth. You just want to click on whichever one you want. And then we're going to click on the settings cog on whichever Turbo Trader you want to edit. And here we have all of our customization options. So buy bids, buy stop, we can add sell asks, whatever you want. Click it on the side here and you can edit it on the right hand side here. And when you are done customizing your Turbo Trader, all you need to do is click on Done. And that's it. If you want to add Turbo Trader futures or options, they will have the same customization options. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.